Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. We are watching the news roundup of the day with Lopita. Let's have a look at the top stories. 10 more persons succumbed to COVID-19 in Orissa in the last 24 hours, taking the death toll to 296, informed the State Health and Family Welfare Department on Tuesday. While Ganjam and Khordha districts reported 3 deaths each, 1 death each was reported from Sundargarh, Puri, Baleswar and Rayagada districts. In order to check the steep rise in COVID-19 positive cases in some blocks and NSCs of Khordha district, the administration has decided to impose certain restrictions. Officials of the Khordha district administration have decided to impose shutdown in 2 blocks and 2 NSCs from 7 p.m. Tuesday. The shutdown restrictions will come into effect from 11th August till 7 p.m. of 14th August. The places blocks where the shutdown will be enforced are Chilika and Banpur blocks and Balugaon and Banpur NSCs. On the occasion of Janmashtami, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik conveyed his best wishes to people of the state and wished them a happy and prosperous Janmashtami Tuesday. Janmashtami is an annual Hindu festival celebrating the birth of Lord Sri Krishna, the 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu. It is observed according to the Hindu lunisolar calendar on the 8th day of the Krishna Paksha. The Orissa government has decided to make the common application form CAF for PG Entrance Test 2020 available from 12th of August. A notification regarding conduction of common PG Entrance 2020 has been released on Monday. The Odisha Joint Entrance Examination OJEE will be conducted from September 9 to 15th of September this year. This information was given Tuesday by Director of Technical Education and Training DTET Raghuji. He has sent a letter to heads and principals of polytechnics and ITIs in 16 districts of Orissa. In the letter, he has requested them to have examination centers in their respective institutions. According to 700 people who have recovered from COVID-19 in Ganjam districts have come forward to assist the administration. The 700 people, also known as COVID Bandhus, are persuading symptomatic people to go for testing. The COVID Bandhus are also helping them with counseling to drive out the anxieties related to coronavirus. This information was given by officials Tuesday. In view of the continuous rise in COVID-19 positive cases in Sundargarh district, the district administration has decided to launch triple antigen test in the Rourkela city of the district within a week. North Division Revenue Commissioner Niranjan Sahu said that the district administration is planning to avail the testing facilities by setting testing centers at different localities or in private hospitals. In a massive breakthrough, Russian President Vladimir Putin said that a COVID-19 vaccine developed in the country has been registered for mass use. Not only that, he also mentioned that one of his daughters has already been inoculated. Putin said that the vaccine has proven efficient during several trials, offering a lasting immunity from the coronavirus, the Russian leader said at a government meeting Tuesday. That's all for today. Keep watching Orissa Post Live for all the latest updates.